Good morning. We're taking the relatives up to the Tweetsie Railroad located here in Boone, North Carolina. It's Highway 321, 64, and we'll be doing all back roads heading up there. We're charged to 94%. We're ready to go here in the Model Y, so let's hit it. Here we are on Interstate 70 eastbound. Off the highway here in 3.6 miles at Union Road, where we start our cross-country trek all the way to Boone, North Carolina. We're off-road now here on Union Road, headed cross-country. We're going to pick up Highway 64 up here a little bit, on autopilot as usual. Northbound on Highway 64. We're on Highway 321 now, just south of Blowing Rock. That's where the Tweetsie Railroad is. We're getting close now. Navicomputer says 20 miles. We've arrived at the Tweetsie Railroad here today. We're going to ride the train. It's 3 miles, we're told. It's a narrow gauge steam engine. So it should be fun today.
Welcome back to town, folks. Please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.
Well, you don't see this every day. This is a pair of micro mini donkeys. As you can see, they're not even as high as the fence. And they're looking for some snacks, I think. Kind of cute little guys, aren't you? Yeah, you're a cute guy. What are you doing? Yeah, you like that, huh? You want that too? You like that right there? Do you? Yeah, I bet you do. It appears all the attractions are all included with the entrance fee, which is also very cool. Everything we've been on today is all included. It's not an extra cost. So when you get in with a family or whatever, it looks like you can just ride and do any and everything. Very cool place. We are leaving the Tweetsie Railroad. We stopped at Outback, had a nice dinner. Now we're heading home. Navicomputer says 73 miles. We're taking all back roads, including Highway 64. We'll be home in a couple hours. Just on the way home, just about back at the house. Had a great day. We went and did the Tweetsie Railroad. Drove around Boone. It was really a good day. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss any videos going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.